In this video, we are going to see how we can turn on or turn off the group notifications on Facebook profile. So let's say that you have joined some groups, you're participating in some groups, or maybe you have liked some of the posts in that group and you continuously receive that notifications from that group, or you don't receive that at all that you want to receive. Here's how you can tweak the settings to turn the notifications on or off. What you need to do is just head over to your profile icon on the top right hand corner and click on the settings and privacy, and again click on settings. And on the left hand side we see this preferences. Under here we get notifications. Click on that, and let's say that we want to turn that off or on. We need to find the groups here. Under the birthdays, here is groups, but obviously by the time you're watching this video the position might be different. Click on that, and if it is turned off and you want to turn it on, just toggle that to the on position, or otherwise turn it off. So you adjust it according to your needs, and that is all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.